Hello everyone, in this video I am going to show you how to find average of numbers in an array. So this is used in some scenarios like when you want to find average salary paid by the company to employees. So before that look at this document. So how to find the average of numbers in an array is by adding all the numbers in the set and dividing their sum by the total number of numbers exist in the set. Okay, so for example you need to first find the total of the salaries, and you need to divide this total salary by number of elements exists in this set. For example, divided by 1 2 3 4 5, so you need to divide the total with 5, and the total of the salaries is 1,42,000 here, and the total number of elements exists in this set is 5. So you need to divide 1,42,000 with the number 5, so that you can get average as 28,400. So the company is paying 28,400 as average salary to the employees. Okay, it means each employee is having a salary of 28,400. Okay, so before going to this, you need to have some knowledge on what is array variable. Okay, so array variable is a type of variable which enables you to store multiple values of same data type. For example, if this is array of employee names, it will store only names of employees. Okay, so when it is age, it will store only age in numerical values. So when it is employee salary, it will store only salaries. So this is the salaries of these employees, and I am going to do a task on getting average salary of a company giving to the employee. Okay, so go to UiPath Studio, and I will drag and drop assign activity, and I will create an array variable, and I will name it as employee salary or employee salaries, and I will pass the value from my document. I will just go to my document and I will copy these values of employee salary, Control C, and within this field Control V. So, and we must change its variable type to array of int. So okay, so this is an array of integers, and I will take one more assign activity to store average salary value, and I will create a variable using Control K, and I will name it as average salary. So now I am going to use, or I will pass the variable name employee salaries. So it is an array of array of integers. I will show you in advanced editor. So dot average. So this average is a predefined method which will return you the average salary of the given array of integers. Okay, so you need to change its variable type to double. Okay, so it is now string, and click on this drop down and click on this browse for types, and just type system.double. So under this system, click on this double. Okay, so now the square brackets indicates that this is an array of integers, and this double value here you can't see any square brackets, so it is not array, it is just a single integer number. Okay, and now I am going to use right line activity to display the output, and in this right line activity I will pass the variable name average, and I will convert this to string. So I am using toString method. So this is how to get the average of salary. Let me run this process and look at this output panel. So you got the average salary of employee is 28,400 as we expected. So the average salary of employee is 28,400. Okay, so thanks for watching. Please do subscribe and like this video.